Guys, welcome to our channel Frenzy with Sharmas. I hope you're enjoying our videos. If you have not subscribed yet, would request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Talking about this video, it's all about our new machine. You wanna have a look? Come along with me. The new machine which we are talking about is MacBook Air 2020 with M1 chip. There are 3 Apple stores in UAE: Yas Mall Abu Dhabi, Dubai Mall and Mall of Emirates. We went to Apple store in Mall of Emirates by taking a prior appointment from Apple website. You can find the link in the description box below of how to book an appointment. Do remember, if you don't have a prior appointment, you might have to wait in the queue for an hour or so. A designated Apple support staff was appointed to us. Sorry, we could not shoot that part because of the privacy and copyright issues. तो आज हम करेंगे अनबॉक्सिंग एंड सेटअप ऑफ मैकबुक एयर 2020. सो मोस्टली मैं जब बॉक्स खोलती हूँ, कोई भी बॉक्स खोलती हूँ, आई यूज़ नाइफ, बट मैकबुक हैज़ मेड इट सो ईजी कि हम उसे डायरेक्ट खोल सकते हैं. नो नीड ऑफ नाइफ, आप उसको डायरेक्टली ऐसे. अमेजिंग. वाह. Wow, it's so awesome. This is my favorite color. Let me open this. It's so clean and fresh. It smells amazing. There's nothing great like smelling a new fresh Mac. It's out of this world. So let's see क्या है अंदर. So this is a USB charger to charge the laptop. Inside this, wow, Apple stickers. Apple sticker in gold. Wow, I love this. This is the adapter. So open भी कर देती हूँ. Mac has made it very simple. ओपन करने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Okay. यहाँ पर ये चार्जिंग वायर लगेगा, तो it's all set. It has 13-inch display. It got the backlit Magic Keyboard. It also has a Touch ID. It will be able to handle most of your daily tasks. It has Apple M1 chip, 8GB processor, 8GB graphics, 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD. So far I was using MacBook Pro. You can clearly see the size difference over here, and it's too heavy to carry. It weighs 2.4 kg, so that's the reason it's difficult to carry wherever you go. And in comparison to this is very lightweight, small, compact. It can easily fit in my purse, and it weighs only 1.29 kg. The speaker has 2 times more bass, 25% more volume, 8% faster graphic. That definitely help in video and photo editing. This laptop is perfect for word processing, for writing and office work. and yes, of course, playing games and watching YouTube videos. It's really little tiny powerful machine. It's perfect. MacBook Air 2020 comes in 3 different colors. We have got the silver, space grey and gold. You can also choose between different storage capacity depending on your usage. 256 GB SSD, 512 GB SSD or 1 TB. One of the great thing is Apple gives the educational discount. If you are a student, you can avail the same. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing video of MacBook Air 2020. I would love to hear from you guys. What you look into the laptop? Color, RAM, processing speed, graphics or something else? I would love to know that in comment box. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. And please like and share this video. Thank you.